In today's rapidly evolving global landscape, technology stands as the undisputed catalyst for business innovation. It is no longer merely a tool but the very foundation upon which modern enterprises build their competitive edge. Understanding this dynamic is crucial for anyone entering the professional world. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud computing are transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. These technologies provide businesses with powerful capabilities, from automating complex tasks to processing vast amounts of data. They enable insights that were previously unimaginable. The Internet of Things, or IoT, connects devices and systems, creating intelligent networks that optimize operations. Big data analytics extracts meaningful patterns from this deluge of information, guiding strategic decisions. These interconnected advancements fuel continuous improvement and disruption. Technology empowers businesses to rethink traditional operating models. Subscription services, platform economies, and on-demand solutions are direct results of digital transformation. Companies can now scale rapidly and reach global markets with unprecedented ease. This shift allows for greater agility and responsiveness to market demands. Businesses can adapt quickly, experiment with new approaches, and pivot strategies based on real-time data. It fosters an environment of continuous evolution. Automation, driven by robotics and AI, streamlines repetitive processes, freeing human capital for more complex tasks. Cloud infrastructure provides scalable computing resources, reducing operational costs and increasing flexibility. This leads to significant gains in overall productivity. Digital tools facilitate seamless collaboration across geographically dispersed teams. Project management software, communication platforms, and shared digital workspaces enhance efficiency. Businesses operate with greater speed and precision than ever before. Technology has revolutionized how businesses interact with their customers. Personalized marketing, powered by data analytics, delivers tailored experiences. AI-driven chatbots provide instant support, improving satisfaction and engagement. Mobile applications and e-commerce platforms offer unparalleled convenience and accessibility. Businesses can gather feedback in real time, allowing for rapid adjustments to products and services. This focus on the customer journey builds stronger brand loyalty. Emerging technologies enable the creation of entirely new products and services that were once science fiction. Virtual and augmented reality are opening up immersive experiences in education, entertainment, and retail. Biotechnology is revolutionizing healthcare and agriculture. Rapid prototyping and 3D printing accelerate the development cycle, allowing for quicker iteration and market entry. Businesses can experiment with novel concepts at a lower cost and faster pace. This fosters a culture of relentless innovation. The pace of technological advancement shows no signs of slowing. Businesses must remain agile, continuously investing in research and development to stay competitive. Ethical considerations and data security are also paramount in this evolving landscape. Understanding and harnessing these technological forces is essential for future success. Innovation is no longer an option but a fundamental requirement for survival and growth in the modern economy. Technology is the engine driving unprecedented business innovation across every sector. From optimizing operations to transforming customer interactions and creating entirely new markets, its impact is profound and pervasive. Embracing this technological imperative is key to navigating the complexities and opportunities of the future.